Fa la 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 Christmas. Max has got his hat collection out. I think it's actually almost the 12 days of Max hats. He's got quite a collection. But his buddy, Ellie the cat, is just hanging out there with him. She loves to be with Max. Max is snoring. Ellie's just sitting right beside him. She's taken over his pillow. So Max has actually had to rearrange where he sits. It's kind of a complicated cat night. And then we move over to Jack. He just kind of blends into the chair. And then from there, we've got the wonderful Fa La 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 Christmas at Casabella Estate. We just have the most perfect Christmas tree and mantle. It's just so romantic and everything. And then we have Sidney, who loves his ottoman, with his reindeer sitting behind him. It looks like we have 3 trees, because we have one tree that's absolutely beautiful, and then we have Little Cat, and then we have Max and his cat. We're still hanging out together. It's a fa la 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 cat and Great Dane Christmas.